It's Dave with Regal Fabric Care. Hopefully you can hear me over this machine. But we get asked a lot from our customers why we can't clean hand-knotted rugs like this in their home. Why do we have to take it away for a couple of weeks and clean them at the shop? Well, this is a good reason. You see all the foam there at the bottom. Frenchie's here scrubbing this rug. All of that color in the foam isn't color from the rug. It's actually soil, deep impacted soil. This rug probably hasn't been cleaned since, oh, who knows how many years. And that's going to all be flushed away. It's going to be rinsed, re-soaked up, re-scrubbed, rinsed again, so that water comes out nice and clean. Frenchie, if you would, back up that machine into that soap area. Come backwards, that's it, just to see just how much soap is there. That's it. And you see that's flushing away. We have water coming down, flushing as we're going, and that's a visual of why we don't clean hand-knotted area rugs in people's homes or businesses when they come to the shop. Thanks for watching.